So I just wanted to share with you that I'm starting to write a ebook that's going to explain some of the use cases for blockchain technology, use cases that go way beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum and stablecoins, that actually solve some of the major problems we have with the normal internet. Because over the years, I've been in Web3 for over 3 years now. Over the years, I've noticed that the problems with the normal internet cannot be solved just with new websites or new ways of doing things. No, we actually need a completely new way of working. And that's where Qortal comes in, which, in my opinion, is one of the best blockchain projects because it does exactly that. It solves a problem with the normal internet by offering a way for users to exchange data with no middlemen, so completely peer-to-peer, with its permissionless infrastructure that it's building using blockchain technology. And this is something that is hard to grasp for most people. It's not an easy concept to understand. So that's why I decided to write a ebook about this and to try to explain it to people who are new to this. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a really interesting read, over 60 pages long, and it's going to be free to download on Qortal.dev. So stay tuned for that ebook, which is coming very, very shortly. So if you've been wondering how Qortal solves some of the normal problems with with the normal internet, and which industries it's revolutionizing with its revolutionary Q apps, then this ebook's for you. And I think it's going to be a really, really cool read when it does drop in a few weeks. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. As for Qortal, once again, if you're interested, check out Qortal.dev, where you can install it right now on your favorite device, whether that be a computer, laptop, a tablet, or phone. And I'll see you in the next Walk and Talk.